Bullish Doge value forecast is $0.08842 to $0.57261. Dogecoin, DOGE, cost could likewise reach $1 soon. Bearish Doge cost expectation for 2022 is $0.04975. In Dogecoin, DOGE, cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, Rival, and other data about Doge to examine the future development of the digital currency. Dogecoin, DOGE, current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of Dogecoin, DOGE, is $0.063412 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $305,041,260 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, Doge has expanded by almost 2.1% as of now. What is Dogecoin, DOGE? Dogecoin, DOGE, is a well-known image coin that was forked from Litecoin in December 2013. The coin was made by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer from a viral image of the canine variety, Shiba Inu. Doge keeps on existing as a distributed and open-source digital currency. Dissimilar to Bitcoin, Dogecoin utilizes a proof-of-work (POW) agreement instrument that depends on the script calculation. This gives less block time for the Dogecoin organization. Bitcoin requires as long as 10 minutes to handle a block, though, in Dogecoin, the block time is 1 moment. This image coin is perceived as the most loved crypto of Tesla president Elon Musk. Musk's tweet on Dogecoin and his constant help for it appears to speed up critical cost rallies for the image coin. Dogecoin, DOGE, value expectation 2022. The above graph of Dogecoin, DOGE, spread out the rising triangle design. The rising triangle is a trademark example of a continuous bullish pattern. This triangle is framed by a flat upward trendline that interfaces the highs and the lower trendline that associates the rising lows. Assuming the pattern breaks out at the obstruction level, the cost will keep on climbing in this rising triangle design. At present, Dogecoin, DOGE, is in the scope of $0.06807. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of Doge could arrive at the obstruction levels of $0.08908 and $0.12628. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Doge might tumble to $0.06658, $0.05746 and $0.05073. Dogecoin, DOGE, backing and opposition levels. The diagram beneath shows the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin, DOGE. From the above everyday time period, we can obviously decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels for Dogecoin, DOGE. The outlines show that Dogecoin, DOGE, has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, Doge could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at $0.57261. In like manner, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Dogecoin, DOGE, could dive to nearly $0.04975, a negative sign. Dogecoin, DOGE, value expectation 2022, Rival, Mama, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of Dogecoin, DOGE, is displayed in the outline underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the Rival of Doge lies underneath the end line, showing frail members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal, Mama, of Dogecoin, DOGE, is displayed in the outline above. Prominently, Dogecoin, DOGE, cost lies under 50 Mama, present moment, so it is totally in a downtrend. Right now, Doge has entered a bullish state. Subsequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Doge whenever. In the meantime, the general strength list, RSI, of the Doge is 45.40. This implies that Dogecoin, DOGE, is almost in an oversold state. In any case, This implies a significant value inversion of Doge might happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, brokers need to painstakingly exchange Dogecoin, DOGE, Value Forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record, ADX, of Dogecoin, DOGE. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Dogecoin, DOGE. As of now, the ADX of Doge lies in the scope of 40.84051 and subsequently, it demonstrates major areas of strength for A. The above outline additionally addresses the overall instability list, RVI, of Dogecoin, DOGE. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Doge lies over 50, showing high instability. Truth be told, the RSI of Dogecoin, DOGE, is at 45.50, consequently affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of Doge with BTC, ETH. The beneath graph shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Dogecoin, DOGE. From the above diagram, we can decipher that the value activity of Doge is like BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Doge would increment or decline separately. Dogecoin, DOGE, Value Forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern turns around, Dogecoin, DOGE, could most likely achieve $2.20 by 2023. Dogecoin, DOGE, Value Forecast 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Dogecoin, DOGE, could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Doge could mobilize to hit $3.50 by 2024. Dogecoin, DOGE, Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that Dogecoin, DOGE, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Doge would mobilize to hit $4. Dogecoin, DOGE, Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Dogecoin, DOGE, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the